So you have been mining on Silencio, but how do you actually get those coins into your wallet? So today I'm showing you the exact process. I used to withdraw over 700,000 coins this week. No fluff, just the proof. So guys, the first thing you want to do is simply go to your Play Store. So when you are on Play Store, you simply want to search for Silencio. So you want to search for Silencio, and you simply install this particular app, Silencio. Alright, you can see the logo right here. This is the app right here, Silencio, Mayor, Noise, and N. So after that, guys, you simply want to click on the install, but I already installed this on my phone. So you want to click on install to install this app. So I'll simply click on open. So right here, this is my own app. I've created an account right here. So guys, you simply want to follow the given instruction and simply create an account on this app. Alright, so you want to create an account, and also you want to get your username. So guys, the username is what we are going to make use of on Silencio .store. Alright, so now this is my current in-app coins right here. So this is my current in-app coins. So for you to withdraw from Silencio.store, you need to take note of your username. So as you can see right here, my username right here is Logic Income, and this is the total in-app coins right here. So guys, now for you to actually withdraw, you simply want to copy this your username. Alright, so you're going to create a username when you actually sign up on the Silencio app. So you simply want to copy the username and head straight to your browser. Alright, on the Silencio.store. Right here. So guys, now when you are on Silencio.store, you simply want to scroll down a little bit and simply enter your username right here. So when you've done that, guys, you'll be able to withdraw your money entirely from Silencio the store to your Silencio app. Now after that, guys, now as you can see right here, this is the total ready to claim right here. So I can simply reduce this or enter everything and click on the send your in-app coins to your Silencio account. So you can simply choose any amount of in-app coins you want to send to your Silencio app. So after the, guys, right there, I wish to send everything, so I'll simply click on send your in-app coins to your Silencio account. So as you can see right here, coins sent successfully. So if you come here right here, you can see the recent coin right here, in-app coin. So guys, I'll simply take you to the Silencio app to check this out. So now I'm on my Silencio app. So I'll simply click to also check the in-app. So now the in-app has increased. So guys, that's how you can send in-app coins from Silencio the store to your Silencio app. So it is as simple as that. And for those that are new to Silencio, if you want to earn, you can simply come here right here. So you want to go to opportunities. All right, so you want to go to opportunities, and you want to click on this I qualify right here, and maybe shareable. So right here I have Yoruba and English. So if I want to continue, I'll simply click on continue to actually record. So I'll simply want to click on that. Now guys, you can simply watch my my previous video on the Silencio to actually get more information about this. So guys, this is how you can simply earn on this. You simply want to train AI, so you can talk about anything within the topic And now you simply want to click to start recording, and guys, you are simply good to go. So that's how you can end on this. So if you are confused, please watch my previous video. I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.